Why do cats make weird noises when they see birds? There are two main reasons why your cat might be making a weird noise when they see a bird. The first reason is that your cat is trying to communicate with you. They're basically saying, "Hey human, look at this bird. It would be really fun if we could catch it and eat it." In this case, the weird noise that your cat is making is actually a sign of excitement. The second reason is that your cat is trying to scare the bird away. Cats are natural predators, and birds are their prey. So if a cat sees a bird, they'll often try to scare it away by making a loud noise. Now, some cats make a noise that sounds like chirp chirp or tweet tweet, and this is because they're mimicking the sound of a bird. This is especially common in cats that have access to the outdoors. If your cat is making a strange noise when they see a bird, it's important to take them to the vet to rule out any medical conditions. Some cats may also be stressed or anxious when they see a bird, and this can manifest as a weird noise.